In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill pattern and color a shape in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, make sure you have the shape you want to fill already drawn. The key requirement is that the shape has a closed boundary. That means it can be a closed polyline, a circle, a rectangle, or any loop of lines and arcs that meet without gaps. If there are tiny gaps or overlapping endpoints, the hatch may not recognize the area. So zoom in and check the endpoints if the hatch doesn't work at first. When your shape is ready, start the hatch command. You can do this quickly by typing hatch or just H at the command line and pressing enter. This opens the hatch creation tab on the ribbon, which is where you'll control pattern, color, and how the hatch is applied. Next, choose the pattern type that fits your goal. The hatch creation tab organizes options into a few common types. Select solid when you want a single, uniform color filling the area. This is useful for blocking out areas or creating a simple background. Choose gradient if you want a smooth transition between two colors for a softer, more graphical effect. Pick pattern when you need a textured look like concrete, ANSI, or other industry standard hatch patterns. These are often used for materials or conventional drafting symbols. Hover over patterns in the gallery to see a quick preview. After picking the pattern type, choose the color. Click the color swatch, usually located near the pattern dropdown, and pick a color from the palette. For solids, this directly controls the fill color. For patterns and gradients, the swatch lets you select primary and sometimes secondary colors. Use layer color planning if you want hatches to follow a layers color instead of a fixed one. Now apply the hatch. The Hatch Creation tab gives you two common ways to define the area. You can use pick points by clicking inside your shape. AutoCAD will attempt to find the boundary automatically. If the pick point method doesn't detect the area, use Select Boundaries and click the edge of the closed object you want to hatch. This is reliable for closed polylines, circles, and rectangles. When you're satisfied with the preview, finish the command by clicking Close Hatch Creation on the ribbon, or simply press Enter. If the hatch doesn't appear as expected, double-check for gaps in the boundary or overlapping geometry. Adjust the pattern scale if needed, and try again. That's it. A clean, filled, and colored shape in AutoCAD.